Hey TikTok sellers and shoppers, whether you are trying to offer free shipping or get it as a buyer, here's everything you need to know about how free shipping works on TikTok Shop and how to manage it. Let's go. First, export shipping badge. When browsing TikTok Shop, keep an eye out for that blue free shipping badge right below the product price. That means the product either includes shipping in the price or the seller is covering it for you. No surprises at checkout. TikTok's co-founded free shipping program kicks in when you spend $30 or more from participating sellers. Once you hit that mark, shipping's on the house as long as your order qualifies. Heads up. If a flash deal or a auto discount drops your total below $30, you might lose the free shipping. But if you use TikTok or seller coupons, you will still do it, as long as the pre-coupon total was $30 or more. Some sellers offer a free economy shipping option, usually the slowest around 11 business days. If you are not in a rush, pick the option and save some cash. But remember, not every shop offers it, and the default is usually standard shipping. Are you a TikTok shop creator? Then check out the Creator Center in your app. You might find sample coupons. Some of them offer free shipping along with a discount on the product. Some sellers run limited time free shipping promos, and they often announce them on their TikTok or IG. So follow your favorite stores and turn on notification to catch those deals first. If you are a seller and want to offer to stop offering free shipping, go to your TikTok Shop Seller Center, find your product settings and adjust your shipping options. You can cover shipping cost yourself, set minimum spend rules, or turn it off anytime. That's the scoop on free shipping on TikTok Shop, whether you are shopping smart or selling smarter. Like, follow, and share this with someone who needs to know.